Fellow Zimbabweans, in my last video, I talked about the necessary preconditions for effective economic recovery, the absolute basics that need to be in place before we have any hope of seeing a turnaround. A BZA government will ensure respect for the rule of law, the rooting out of corruption, the implementation of sound economic policies, and we will ensure that we have a competent government. From this base, we can start constructing the economic reality we want. The monumental achievements that we see throughout history were all conceived from a vision, a dream. Proverbs 29 verse 18 instructs us that where there is no vision, the people perish. It is time for us to look to the future, for us to start dreaming of a better tomorrow, to start fashioning in our minds the great Zimbabwe we want. What do you want? I believe we will one day become a first world oasis in this third world region. We will create first world standards in health, education, infrastructure, communications, public safety and services. Priority will be given to the beautification of our towns and cities, even as we rehabilitate basic services, because we understand that this is one of the best value for money public service programs that we can undertake. It will both restore our pride and entice the world to do business with us. It will help to create jobs immediately. Zimbabwe will become a destination of choice for multinationals, entrepreneurs, bankers, engineers, and other professionals who seek opportunities both here and in the region. Zimbabwe will become their base, and they will spend their money here. Foreign direct investment will be drawn to Zimbabwe through a combination of stable government, predictable policies, a business-friendly bureaucracy, and a sense of security. A national culture will prevail where profitable, honest enterprise is celebrated and prices are controlled through effective competition, not through the diktats of a tin-pot government. Our own people will no longer leave Zimbabwe to seek better education and work opportunities abroad. Families will be reunited, schools and universities will flourish, and jobs will abound. The world has now discovered our great work ethic, but in the future they will need to come here to tap our labor pool. It is in our strategic national interest that we develop a new transportation model for our future Zimbabwe. A BZA government will, over the medium term, work with experienced partners to develop a comprehensive electric vehicle infrastructure network backed by an electrical generation and distribution capacity that derives the majority of its output from our abundant renewable sources. In time, smart grids will seamlessly manage our power distribution across our network. Fellow Zimbabweans, this is just a glimpse. There is so much more. It is not fanciful. It is within our grasp, within one generation. But none of it is possible until the basics are in place. We will not insult your intelligence by suggesting that there are quick fixes, shortcuts to success. It will require blood, sweat, and tears. But I will challenge any assertion that it is difficult. There is very little ahead of us that has not been done before. In the coming videos, we'll explore some of the practicalities of how we get from here to where we need to be, how we create jobs as fast as possible whilst building our future.
BZA